How to transfer Solana from Binance to Trust Wallet. For that, you need to first of all launch your Binance mobile application, then tap on the wallets option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, tap on spot, and among the given options you need to simply select Solana. Then select the withdrawal option and select send via crypto network option. After that, you will be landed on this page where it will ask you to provide the deposit address. So in order to get that address, you need to simply launch your Trust Wallet mobile application, and over here you just have to use the search bar in the top and search for Sol. Now once you are able to find Solana, you need to simply tap on it, and you need to make sure that it is based on the Solana network. So tap on the receive option and copy the QR code or the deposit address from here. Then go back to Binance and paste the address in this section. In the network, you need to select the same network that you have selected in your Trust Wallet account, which was in my case is the Solana network. After that, in the withdrawal amount, enter the amount of Solana that you want to transfer. Then you need to tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you need to simply review the information and confirm your transaction. After the successful completion of your transaction, you will receive your Solana in your Trust Wallet from Binance. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.